In this section, we're going to discuss how objects are initialized. When a primitive or reference variable is declared, the compiler obtains memory for it. However, when an object is created, the compiler does not directly get memory for it. For one thing, it doesn't know how many objects may exist in the program. There's no way to anticipate that, so therefore it doesn't get any memory. Memory is obtained while the program is running. The program must have a reference variable to hold the location of that memory. That brings up the new operator. Because we have a reference variable and an object in memory, we have to have a way to tie them together. The new keyword, when it operates, obtains the memory and saves that memory location in the reference variable. That's why we see code, some reference variable name, assign new, and then the class name. That assignment is the location of the object in memory being saved or stored in the reference variable. After the new operator has obtained the memory, it initializes it by running a class constructor. A constructor is a piece of code that initializes instance variables. That's its primary job, initialize instance variables. Primitive variables are initialized by assignment. We say variable X assign value 42. Because there's a single value in that primitive variable, the compiler easily takes that literal value and assigns it. An object may have more than one value inside of it. Using the assignment operator for initialization wouldn't work because the compiler could not guess which instance variable got the value, and other instance variables would have no initialization at all. Therefore, we're compelled to write a constructor. The book has two imprecisions in this section about constructors. First, constructors are not methods. They do not have a return type, therefore they cannot be a method. They look remarkably similar, but they are technically called special member functions. And two, constructors do not use the new operator. The new operator uses or invokes the constructor. The new operator obtains memory and then initializes by invoking the constructor. And once finished, it assigns the memory location to the reference variable